What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how to round off backflip. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys do it somewhere safe, like a gym if you have a gym, like mats, foam pit, somewhere soft so you don't get hurt before you try this outside. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started guys. That's a round off backflip, let's get started. The first thing is learning the round off. So it's basically similar to a cartwheel. So a cartwheel is where you land sideways. But for a round off, you're going to be landing facing backwards where you started. So you got to find out which foot do you kick backward. I'm going to show you guys the right side. Your strong foot. My strong foot is my right leg. So you're going to have your left foot forward, your right leg back. Knees slightly bent, facing forward. Next up is have your hands up. You kick up, back, and over. And you plant both of your hands down. So your left hand's going to be facing this way, or you can be facing down. Your right hand is going to be facing up, over you. So up, and your left hand's going to be facing down, your right hand is going to be facing forwards, that way. And you're going to kick at the same time. When you kick this, plant your hands down, and you're going to keep kicking over. So it's kind of hard to show you guys, I can't really do the slow motion. But after you practice that, you're kicking, clapping your hand down, left hand down, right hand at the same time. You're going to kick all the way over, and in the air while you're kind of in a handstand position, like when you do a cartwheel, your legs should be straight as possible, and your legs should be together in the air. Straight together like this, to get that maximum power. And then it's a landing. So the landing, you should be landing, since you're facing forward, you should be landing facing backwards right here. You know, you should land the ball of your feet always, never flat-footed, or your heels. And your legs should be together, knees slightly bent. Then we'll get to the backflip after that. I'll just show you a round off real fast, or slowly. And you kind of want to push off too with your hands a little bit. Basically, the harder you kick and the harder you kind of push off, and your arms should be locked too when you do it, the more power you're gonna get. Obviously, you could run up to it too, guys. But or you could just stand there. If you could do it standing like I do, that will help even more. If you just get a run up, that give you more power. Now after that's the backflip. So after you land facing that way, guys, your hands should be already up, driving up. You know, you should be swinging your arms up then, since you land the round off. So show the round off again, boom. You should be swinging your arms up, since your hands should be in this position, guys. The backflip, if you watch my backflip tutorial, swing your arms up, same thing, just a normal backflip, it's the same thing, swing your arms up. Wherever you're looking at the ground and straight, jumping up too, use that momentum, swing your arms up at the same time, jumping up. Then it's the tucking. Just bring your knees up, guys, both your knees up, grab them in the middle. When you're ready to tuck, driving your knees all the way over, kneeing yourself all the way over. You're gonna look up, lean back, you should rotate. Then it's the landing, guys. You know, ball of your feet, always land the ball of your feet. Knees slightly bent, release. It's all about the feel it. You should land nice and sweet, you know. Like I said, if you're scared, just do it in the foam pit. Or have someone kind of spot you too after the round off. So I'll just show you a slow one. So the round off is gonna be like this. Left foot, right foot. Push off, look, swing. Pushing off your toes too. Tuck. You know, look up, lean back, release. I'll show you guys one after.